Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Mending Villager in Minecraft Bedrock. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, you're going to first need a spawn village in a swamp. But if you can't find a spawn village in a swamp, then that's okay. You can just simply go to the village or anyone else from any other village on any other domain. And you can have just two villages from here, and you can just simply put them in boats. Once you have them on boats, you can just attach a lead and then bring them with you to the spawn right here, which is going to be in the swamp. Once you finally bring them in, you're gonna have to just destroy the boat. And then from here, you're going to make sure that there are 3 beds next to each other so that they can sleep in. And then you're going to start giving them carrots, so you're gonna let them mate. And there you go, as you can see, they're going to start mating, and then they're going to just make us a small mini villager who's going to be a swamp villager. Just like that, now we have him. Now we're just gonna wait for him to grow up. Alright, now that he finally grew up, all you have to do is that now place this lectern table next to him. Once you place the lectern next to him, he's going to change shape, and now he's a mending villager. So now once you do any deal with him, you can see that one of the books is going to be mending. But if this doesn't work, then simply break it and then put it back again and then try again with it once he changes again. And so one of the options is going to be the mending book. So you're going to have to give it some patience because sometimes he doesn't take it. But when he does, then you're going to just check him again. And from here it's going to show bookshelf or any other reason. So just keep breaking it and putting it back again until you get the option that you would like. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.